Alright, coming at you from Mike's Car Wash in Fort Wright, Kentucky. I want to go through my truck is a mess. I want to go through the car wash and see how good it does in one pass. It's been snowing and crappy here for been terrible weather here for about a week and a half. We got like 10 inches of snow, and the road's been, they just pounded the roads with salt because I guess it was too cold for that beet juice or whatever that crap is they put on the road. But anyways, go through here and we'll see how this truck looks afterwards. Okay, I just got out of the car wash. Actually, the truck looks awesome. It did a great job on it. Wheels are pretty clean. Yeah, it looks good. Pretty impressed with getting the salt and everything off. So, good job, Mike's Car Wash. All right, get it dirty again.